Hello, this is Lisa from DAJIANG Air Cooler. Today, I want to introduce you one of our most popular models. Ta-da! This is a very modern and beautifully designed air cooler. What makes it more special is it features a centrifugal fan, also known as a blower fan. Compared to a traditional axial fan, it delivers a longer wind travel distance and operates extremely quietly, making it ideal for indoor or commercial environments. It comes with 4 4-inch wheels, 2 with brakes for stability. A revolutionary new design places the water distributor outside the body, allowing it to be easily removed and reattached, making cleaning and maintenance effortless. One pillar is designed to integrate a 3-speed manual controller along with a built-in organizer for the power cable and plug, keeping the machine tidy and well organized. Message us now to get a quote!